You can now combine elements from multiple renders to create a new cohesive rendering. You start with what we call a dynamic layer, which serves as a starting point for the composition. You can switch this around by selecting from your history. By heading to the Add Layer button on the top left, you can browse through previous renders from the same input, upload an image from your computer, or browse the web. After adding it onto your layers, you can use our selection tools to select the areas to erase from the layer, essentially maintaining the aspects that we do like. Once you have selected these, you can head over to the Erase Selection tool to remove these from the layer. Once we have the base layers, we can then add objects or people to populate our render. Each insert will create its own layer that's then added onto our canvas. You can resize them, move them around, and also rename them to help organize them in your stack. Once you have added in all your layers, you can actually shift them around to reorder them. To change the order, simply drag the layer up or down in the panel. Once you're satisfied with the composition, you can hover over to the bottom left of your canvas to the Quick Enhance, which will essentially blend everything together into a more harmonious render. You can determine how close to the original composition you want it to be with the scale. After selecting this, SketchPro will then flatten your layers into a singular image, and you can proceed with other SketchPro operations.